Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Since the working principles of all devices are the same, if you write your problems and thoughts about all brands and models in the comments, we will solve the problem immediately.
Let's keep our device on charge for a while. You will see the solution of inconsistent movements in mouse right click button, left click button and middle scroll roll in this video. We repaired the mouse with the disinfectant and contact cleaner that I had published before. It was very successful in the repair map.
Look, this piece should not stick like this. In fact, the sponge pieces that prevent it from making noise have lost their function and cause it to stick. Then it was the turn of the back cover. The back cover should be removed gently. We will open the back cover by freeing it from its nails. It should not be forced when opening, otherwise we may damage the nails. We can simply clear the fault by cleaning this area well. We found the defective part of our device. If the fault is not resolved by cleaning, this part will have to be replaced. By following the steps I did in my video, we can fix your faulty device in a short time and solve your problems by going step by step.
We clean the oxidation by dripping WD-40, contact cleaner, or disinfectant as I applied. Unfortunately, many repairmen do not share this information with you. Since our videos are step-by-step troubleshooting videos, I will add my other step-by-step method videos to the explanation and to the end of the video. You should also apply them.
Again, we will repair a device without the cost of parts. The fault solution is almost the same in devices with this and the same working principle. It is useful to follow the same methods.
After the repair process, we reassemble our device. Our device is working very stable. Our process is very successful. I recommend it to you.
And the result is a very happy development. You should definitely try it. We got very good feedback in our previous videos. Write your result in the comments and we will reply. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share our video with your friends that you want to benefit from. If you write your questions and opinions in the comments, your other brand model printer computer scanner problems, I will reply as soon as possible for the solution. Thanks.